Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today in this video, we'll see class 7 integers. In that, we'll see the topic addition and subtraction on a number line. Okay, in the previous videos, we have seen how we derived through an activity, we derived the rules of addition and subtraction of integers. Now we'll see this is also kind of activity only, but we'll be doing this in the exercise sums also. It's a number line, adding and subtracting integers on a number line. Okay, to do this, I've given you two small clues. That is, just to do the sum in an easy way. You look at the second number. When you add, we'll be adding two numbers. When there are addition and subtraction, we need two numbers. In that, you see the second number. If the second number is positive, after the first noting down the position of the first number, if the second number is positive, we move towards the right hand side. If the second number is negative, we move towards the left hand side. Okay, this is the points you should remember so that the sum becomes very easy for you to do. And one more thing, if we have subtracting a negative integer, minus and minus, if two negative signs come together, that is two negative signs, minus, subtract a negative integer. So there are two negative signs. I put two negative signs. If there are two negative signs, then we move towards right. Negative of negative, it becomes positive. So we move towards right. Okay, these are the clues you should remember while doing the sums. It becomes very easy. We can just do it in no minute. The sum can be done. Okay, now look at this. Now first sum is minus 4 plus 3. Now what you have to do is, first you locate the first number. What is the first number? It is minus 4. Where is minus 4? As it is negative, we should see on the left hand side of 0. There is minus 4 here. So 0 to minus 4 is the first number line. We moved from 0 to minus 4. Now we have to move. Look at the second number. It is plus 3. This is the sign of operation, addition. This is the sign of the integer. It is positive. In both, you see whether this can be negative or this is positive. Here, addition and plus. Now, the next sum we may having addition, but we are subtracting a negative integer. Whatever it is, you see whether there is a minus sign. There is no minus sign. It's only plus. So, if it is plus, we move towards the right hand side. We move towards the right hand side. Which is the right hand side now? This is left and this is right. So these three numbers we have to move towards right. So 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is our final answer. So your answer is minus 1. First number, you just find this question. You see the number 4. You must see where this number lies. And the second one, you should not see plus 3. We have to count the second number. If there are 3 units, if the number is 3, we have to move 3 units. We don't see the number 3. First number, we see the position of the number itself. And the second number, we have to move that many units. If it is 3, 3 units. If it is 5, 5 units we have to move. And if there is a plus sign, we have to move towards the right. If it is negative, move towards left. And if there are 2 negative signs, again we move towards right hand side, because I've told you in the note I gave you, minus of minus, negative of negative is plus. Okay. Now coming to the second sum, you see minus 4 plus minus 3. So where is the position of the first point? Minus 4. So minus 4 is here. So what do we do? From 0 to minus 4 is the first number line. Okay. Now second is minus 3. We have to move 3 units. We have to move 3 units because there is one minus sign. We have to move towards left. So 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3. And where have we reached? Minus 7. So your answer is minus 7. Okay. Don't you find it interesting? Yes, we'll see the next one. Okay, look at where is the first sum. The first number. First number is plus 4. Where is plus? It on the right hand side. So right hand side number, we all know already, that is the positive integers can be written with or without the plus sign. If there is no plus sign, it is positive. So you see here we have plus 4. So 0 to plus 4 is the first number line. Okay, first loop. Then there is one negative sign. One negative sign. So we have to move towards left. How many units? 3 units to the left hand side. Look at your left hand side. This is my left hand side. This is your left hand side. How many units? 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. This where the 3 units ends. That is the final answer. So the answer is plus 1 or just 1. Okay. Now next. You tell me now, where is plus 6? Yes, it is here. First slope is 0 to 6, the number itself. And second, we have to count 5 units. Which side? See, there is one minus sign is there. If there is one minus sign, count towards left. If there are two negative signs, count towards right. That is the rule you have to follow with the negative signs. It's not a rule, it's a small clue, hints to do the sum in an easy way. Okay. So one minus sign. So how many is the now units you have to count? 5 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units we have come to the left. What is your answer? 1 is the answer. Okay, this is the clues I am giving. One negative sign, move towards left. Positive, move towards right. Two negative signs, move towards right. So that the sum can be done in very simple way. Okay, now what is the first number? Minus 6. So 0 to minus 6 is the first slope. 0 to minus 6. Now minus of minus 3. Two negative signs are given in the note. When there are two negative signs, minus of minus, two negative signs, move towards right. How many units? 3 units to the right side. So 1, 2, 3. And what is this answer? Final position is minus 3. Okay. So with this easy method, I'll just recall the rules again. If there is a positive sign, first find the position of the first number, and to move the second number, the number of units you have to move. If there is one plus sign or two plus signs, move towards right. If there is one negative sign, move towards left. If there are two negative signs, two negative signs, minus of minus, I put two negatives. Two negative signs are there. Again, we have to move towards right. So positive, negative of negative is also positive. That is why for these two we move towards right. And one minus sign is negative. So we move towards left. Just count and move towards left. So I hope with these small clues, you would understood the integer addition and subtraction and integers better way. So we'll see one more example is there. We'll see plus 3 minus minus 4. Plus 3 minus. Where is the first number? First number is plus 3. It is here. So 0 to 3 is the first number. Okay. Now minus of minus. Two negative signs. What it is? It is positive. So two negative signs move towards right. So which is the right hand side? This is the right hand side. How many units? 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the answer 7. So 7 is the answer. 3 plus 3 minus minus 4 is 7 is the answer. So I hope you all have understood this number line, children. Please try these two sums on a number line and see whether you can do it correctly. Okay, thank you.